How you doing? I'm doing okay. Sorry for that week off. I just needed it to I didn't do anything. I didn't want to do anything that I had to do. I just needed to relax and recover emotionally. That was rough. And now Emily is sick. So I pray that this is just some quick little 24-hour bug or something simple. Pray it's nothing serious. So yeah. Anyway, so today, you know what? I didn't even look up to see what package we are opening. All right, so we are looking at an unboxing from Fgnormal. Got some awesome things to show you today. And I think we'll start with the biggest one because I think it is the prettiest. So this is a 40 by 40. Uh-oh, I've trapped the supervisor. You got up on the wrong side there, Chica. Hang on, let me help the cat. She ran from me, the little turkey. Okay, so this is a 40 by 40. There are 35 colors. DMC numbers are on the canvas. Check it out. Isn't that cool? So cool. And what makes it even more cool is there are AB drills. So I know for sure there are the black AB drills. And these have the regular DMC numbers on them. Let me grab. So we got a nice big amount of wax, upgraded toolkit with a 4-placer on the pin and some tweezers, and also a 9-placer, I believe it is. So here are the drills. There's, you can see the black ABs, but you can see it's kind of a messy situation in there. But it might just be the black ones. I don't see any other AB shimmer. Oh yeah, there's some pink in there. But this is going to be so cool, so cool. I need more enthusiasm so I can spend more time. Because by 8 o'clock at night, I'm done. That's it. I'm laying down. I'm scrolling through Instagram. I'm done. Used to be I would be up until 2 or 3 in the morning, like diamond painting or crocheting or doing a little bit of both. But now it's like I'm just like, I guess I've gotten to that stage in my life where I'm old now. I don't know. I'm almost 50. I should still be. I don't know. It's sad. It's very sad. The next canvases, we'll just do a general here thingy. We got our standard toolkit for that, for the next 3. We got a nice fancy toolkit for the big one, and then standard toolkits for the standard sizes. Let's see. Trying to decide which one I want to show you next. Let's do this one. This one is so adorable. I couldn't resist. Diamonds in a jar. Right? Had to have it. So this is a partial 30 by 30. There are 12 different stones on this one. For the most part, they are regular rhinestones, but let's take a look and see what we've got. Hang on, I can feel a tickle coming on. Cat just made a oh no. What is that noise? Oh, it's my teapot. I'm making iced tea. The teapot's making its little gurgling noises. I thought it was the cat. I literally just started the tea before I sat down, and I've already forgotten that I started the tea. I tell you, I am a mess. Big, big mess. Whoa. As I pull the cable off the computer. All right, so first off, we've got teeny tiny green and yellow teardrops. We've got some bigger yellow rhinestones. And then moving on to the regular size rhinestones, there's pink and crystal, fuchsia and turquoise, 3 shades of blue, and then 2 shades of yellow. So that is the first, our little jar of diamonds. I think that is just so cute. A little hibiscus on there. Can't wait to see it done. Alright, so there's that one. Okay, the next one, we'll do the turtle. I know I've got so many turtles. I need to go back and look because I hope I didn't order this one already. But if not, I have one that's pretty similar. I think the one I have is a 40 by 40. So I think it's different, but it's very, very, very similar to this one if I don't have this one. So 30 by 30. We have 21 colors. DMC numbers are on the canvas. Canvas is beauteous. Isn't that cool? I really like it a lot. I don't know. I just love sea turtles. They're just so majestic and so awesome. They're just fabulous. The drills come packaged in the horrible little tiny individual bags. And I did have to write the item number on there. So this one is for the turtle. The next one matches. It would be a good side-by-side painting. It's just starfish and little tiny fish. There are 20 colors on this 30 by 30. And again, DMC numbers right where they should be on the canvas. And beautiful clear canvas, as you can see. And again, same with the drills. They're in the little tiny bags. Looks like I got one zip top bag, which is interesting. But I did have to write the item number on there as well. Got one more. Get my finger under there to open it. I found the opening, but I couldn't get my finger under it. Now it's stuck. Oh crap! Come on. There we go. Alright, so check out this toolkit and you will know what we are dealing with. So these are, I have to look at them first, I'm sorry. Okay, these are Stitch in costume. So first off, we have Stitch just eating an ice cream cone with some glasses on. Next, we have Stitch wearing the sorting hat. After that is Stitch as Maleficent. This one cracks me up. This is really funny. And of course, he's always got his mouth open. save that one for last. This one is Stitch as the Joker. Pretty sure he's supposed to be the Joker. Purple suit, green hair, you know. Pretty sure that's the Joker. And then, last of all, call me Stitch as the Scream Face, Ghost Face, whatever they call him, with a bloody knife. These are too cute. They're so funny. Alright, so that's that. And then we have rhinestones, of course. Leave that aside. I won't put them back in there. Ooh, there's lots of stones for this one. Okay, so we have regular black. Then we have pink and 3 bags of light blue. 3 different shades, I should say. Those are all, it's really hard to see this one especially. There it is, blue, blue, blue. And then we have red. And we've got purple, another blue, and green. Crystal, brown, and another purple. We have a light brown, yellow, crystal, another red, and another, well, that's pink, pale pink. So these are going to turn out really fun, really cute. They're going to be fun to do. Okay. There we have it. So that's what I have to show you from Fgnormal today. Make sure you go check out the link in the description box. I'll have everything listed down below. So you can go get your own. These Stitch ones are so funny. Alright, my love. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for putting up with my little hiatus and being here when I get back. I really, really appreciate it. I do feel better. Things are back to normal. Steve is finally back to work. He went back today. Was his first day back to work. So I appreciate those of you that prayed for him because he definitely needed them. It was scary for several days there. But anyway, he's almost all healed up. Still has a few like residual like symptoms and still not feeling quite 100%, but he's well enough to go back to work, so that's a good thing. Now we got to get Emily healthy and get her back to school. We'll be all good. So thank you again for being here. I love you so much. Make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know how your week was last week. Let me know what you got going on, which diamond painting you're working on, that kind of stuff. So I will see you again very soon.